Samani guys, this is the one and only Gogo Skotini, the DJ, the Kobela, the Sangoma. Yo, Ibuta, sorry, it's in Calapan. Yo, you mistaken, go Calapan. Samani guys, this is Gogo Skotini, the DJ. Full stop. Ibuta, ngakho. Yo, ngizojwayela iphutha. Anyway, ngakhumbula ngithi ngizonipaka about what is it that I use on my face. Well, tada! This is Izithande. Izithande, I use this for my face. Izithande soap, Izithande products, they're doing an amazing job. I don't want to lie to you. And my results, as you can see, I'm not using filter. There's no filter.